In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto in Singapore in a simple and secure way. This tutorial is specifically tailored to Singapore because it will work no matter what payment method you may use and no matter what bank account you may hold in Singapore. So this is really perfect for you. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe, and here we go. To buy cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin, we will go through an application. So I tested dozens of them, and honestly the best of all is really Swissborg. It is a mobile crypto application that you can download on your mobile phone in a very simple way. It is an application that is very intuitive to use, which is really very secure, and which allows you to have the best fees in terms of cryptos. For these 3 reasons, it is truly my favorite crypto app. This is the one I recommend to everyone, to my family, to my friends, and that I also recommend you use because it really is the best. By the way, this is the one I use to make all my crypto investments, as you can see. You will find the link to download the Swissborg app directly below this YouTube video, either in the comment or in the description. You just have to click on the link. You will be automatically redirected to be able to download the application on your mobile phone. So you just have to click on download the application. In addition, if there is a gift for you, it is that by going through this link, you will be able to unlock a lottery scratch ticket, which will allow you to win up to 100 euros of crypto on Swissborg. You will unlock this bonus automatically if you go through the link, or by directly entering the code GUMY5, therefore GUMY5, when you register on Swissborg. So that's really cool. So once you have downloaded the app, all you have to do is open it. Registration only takes a few minutes. You will see it is very simple. You just have to fill in this basic information and validate it. Once your account is validated, then you will land on the Swissborg homepage like this. The first step to buying our cryptos is to deposit money on Swissborg. To do this, you need to click on the green button at the top right. There will be several ways to transfer money to Swissborg. For example, you can make a bank deposit. It will be free, but it will take 1 to 3 business days. Alternatively, if you want your funds instantly, you can do so by paying with your credit or debit card or using Apple Pay or Google Pay. So you simply have to click on the option you prefer, indicate the amount you wish to pay into Swissborg, and then validate the transaction. Once this is done, so you will receive your funds instantly, we will be able to move on to the second step, which is to directly purchase our cryptocurrencies. So we're going to click on the Invest option at the bottom right, like this. Then, in the Buy Cryptos option, we will see all the cryptos available for purchase on Swissborg. There are really quite a few. And then we're going to be interested in Bitcoin, so we'll click on it. Then we will click on Buy in green at the bottom like this. We will choose the currency with which we want to buy our cryptos. For example, we have US dollars, but there are many other currencies available depending on the country you live in. Then, you just have to indicate the amount of this currency that you want to transform into Bitcoin, like this. You put on Next. Then you have the very transparent summary of the transaction, including the fees. Please note that Swissborg is one of the platforms that allows you to have the best fees on your crypto exchanges. And in addition, they will guarantee you the best exchange rate to have the most cryptos with each transaction. So that is really a big plus. So to confirm the transaction, you simply have to click on Confirm like this. The transaction is generally done in a few seconds, and there you go. We have exchanged our dollars for Bitcoin. We have the summary. We click on Finish, and then we can see the number of Bitcoins that we hold in our wallet on Swissborg. So you see, it was very simple. After, if you want to do the reverse operation, you just have to click on Exchange in green at the bottom, and then choose the currency in which you want to exchange your Bitcoins like this, and simply the same to put the amount you want to exchange, and then confirm the transaction, and then there you go. It was as simple as that. After, you can look at all the other options to invest. There are lots of things to do on Swissborg, lots of different cryptocurrency categories. You can set up auto invest to automatically invest, for example, every month, a certain amount of your money in Bitcoin or in another cryptocurrency. Honestly, the application is really very complete, so don't hesitate if you have any questions in the comments. It was Gummy, ciao.